So this is the sample data and we will start with recording a macro. So let me just do Control A to select everything, and then let me also record a macro number 4, and then I go to insert and choose pivot and then new workbook. Then I can just drag it over here, then I can drag discount, then I can drag profit as well. So here's my pivot, and let me just stop my macro, and then I can just delete this file, come back over here, and let me just run my macro and see how everything works. So I go to view and view macro, and then let me run my macro. It will definitely throw me an error, because what is happening over here, let me delete this so that there's no confusion. Let me run this again. Perfect. So it is showing me an error because the sheet name what it is looking for is not found, because here we are adding a sheet, it is not found. So I do have a dynamic code like where I have done everything from the scratch, but here I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure how we are going to handle this issue. So the main issue over here is it is adding a sheet and then it is trying to create pivot in it, but the sheet name could be different every time. So to handle that, let's do one thing. So we'll add a sheet name. So sheets.add.name and equal to pivot. But before adding this sheet name, we have to delete if there is any sheet with the name pivot. So sheets pivot dot delete. Okay, now we have added a sheet. Now the number of rows of this particular pivot might increase, so let me just delete this one, not needed. So the rows of this particular pivot might increase. Right now it is 9995, it could be less than that also. Then also we want to ensure that our pivot work always. So let me create a variable over here. Let's say dim my row as long, and then to find the last row we'll write a small code over here. So the sheet which is giving us the data is create pivot sheet number 6. So what we'll do is we'll type sheet 6 dot cells bracket open sheet 6 dot rows dot count, then comma, we are considering column A, we want to find the last row in column A, and then end Excel up. Okay, so now we come back over here, and then where you see this row number 9995, this one, we just put 2 ampersand like this, 1 2, and then just paste your my row and close this one double quotes, and also close this one as double quotes. Okay, so let me just, okay, here sheet 8, so I just name it as pivot and pivot, 2 changes over here. Then let me just run this one and see how this works, and I'll definitely get an error. So object define error, Excel up, it should be Excel up. Okay, it seems like my pivot is created. Perfect. So my pivot has been created. So let me just remove this one. So what is happening over here, first we find the last row, and then we delete the pivot sheet, and then we add a pivot sheet, and then we take the last row and the entire data and create a new pivot. So here, in case you have deleted the pivot sheet, it might throw an error, so you might just need to skip this one, but this should work perfect right now. So let me just create it once again. Here is my pivot, and if I delete it, I definitely get an error now. So to fix that, I'll just write on error resume next, so that this error is skipped. And let me just run this, and if to my pivot is created. I can also create a button over here, like developer insert, let's take a form button and then create it somewhere. Make number 4 small button, and if I just click on this, then my pivot gets created. It is prompting that this is going to delete a sheet which is called as pivot. Okay, so this pivot is created. In case you don't want to see this warning, you can just put as display alerts application.display alerts as false, and then ensure that you turn it on. It's true. Okay, so this is a very bad example of creating a pivot. We can make it much better, but this is this one I have created just to make you understand. Though I have a video on this which is very much clear, and from where you can directly download the code as well, but this one is to explain you guys how the actual procedure is working. In case you like the video, then hit like button, and you can subscribe to my channel for similar kind of videos. Thank you for watching, and take care, and bye.